More multiplication, 2-digit by 2-digit, and this first video is going to be about the window method. Now I will say, I think the window and the lattice are going to be easier than the standard algorithm for 2-digit by 2-digit and going on and bigger. This is new this year. The 1-digit hopefully was review. The 2 by 2 is new. So if you need to watch this a couple of times or ask questions, no worries. So say I have a problem like 65 times 44. So when I draw my window, I'm actually going to draw 2 by 2 this time instead of the 3 by 1 or the 4 by 1 that I did last time, because I have 2 digits by 2 digits. So I'll still write them in expanded form, 60 times, or 65, and then along the side 44. So now we have to match up. So if I have 5 times 40, well, 5 times 4 is 20 with my 0. Here I have 5 times 4, 20 right there. 60 times 40 goes in this box. 6 times 4 is 24 with my 2 zeros. And then this last box, 60 times 4 is 24 with just 1 0 on it. Now I can just add these up. 2400. And the order you put them in doesn't matter. I just want to add those up. So I get 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8, and then 2. So I get 2,860 for that problem. I'm going to do another 2 by 2 using the window method. Remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause and rewind if you missed something. We'll do 38 times 72. So again, I'm going to draw, oops, got a little close to my numbers. I'll do it over here where I have a little more space. I'm going to do 2 by 2. So I have 38, 72. With multiplying, it doesn't matter the order. So if you put 72 on the top and 38 on the side, it will work just as well. So here, this box, I have 30 times 70. 3 times 7 is 21. Put my 2 zeros. 8 times 70 is 560. 8 times 7 with 1 0. Here I have 30 times 2 over in this left bottom box. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 0. And then last but not least, 8 times 2 is 16. So remember, I just take however many zeros I have in both and add that onto put that on the end. Now I need to add up these 4 numbers. Again, make sure I'm copying my numbers carefully and lining them up on the right side. 0, 0, 0, 6 is 6. 6 plus 6 plus 1. Well, 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Write the 3, carry the 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. And 2. So you get 2,736. If you need more examples, if you want me to go through this more with you, great. I am more than happy to do that. Or you could watch the lattice method or the standard method if you wanted to try one of those. Good luck. Oh, also, like I've said, you don't have to show all your work on the worksheet. You can do it in your notebook and then just put your answers on the worksheet is totally fine because it's hard to draw the boxes on Kami. So just know that I will trust you to do your work on a paper or a whiteboard and just show me your answer on the sheet. Okay, good luck.